Hello students, welcome to statistics classes. Look at this problem from binomial distribution. If the chance that a vessel is nothing but ocean going steamer, ship. So if the chance that a ship arrives safely at a port is 9 by 10, the chances for a ship to finish its journey in the ocean and arrive safely at the port is 9 by 10. That means 9 ships out of 10 ships will come safely. Or the probability of a ship arriving safely at the port is 9 by 10. You can take it as 9 by 10 or you can take it as 0.9 also. Find the chance that out of 6 vessels which are expected to arrive at the port, at least 5 will arrive safely. ಸೊ ಸಮುದ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಯಾಣ ಮಾಡುವಂತಹ ಬೋಟ್ಸು ದಡ ಸೇರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಚಾನ್ಸಸ್ ಬಂದು 9 by 10 ಇರುತ್ತೆ. 9 by 10 ಚಾನ್ಸಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ದೇರ್ ಫಾರ್ ಎ ಶಿಪ್ ಟು ಅರೈವ್ ಸೇಫ್ಲಿ ಅಟ್ ದ ಪೋರ್ಟ್. Now, there are 6 vessels which are expected to arrive. 6 ships ಬರಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. That means given n equals to 6. 6 boats, ships ಸಮುದ್ರದಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಅಟ್ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ 5 will arrive safely. ಅಟ್ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ 5 ಆದರೂ ಸೇಫ್ ಆಗಿ, ಅಂದರೆ 6 ಬಂದರೆ ಸಂತೋಷ. 6 ಶಿಪ್ಸು ಸಮುದ್ರದಲ್ಲಿದೆ, 6 ಸೇಫ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಅಟ್ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ 5 ಆದರೂ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಅಟ್ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ 5 ಶಿಪ್ಸ್ ಆದರೂ ವಾಪಸ್ ದಡ ಸೇರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಇರುವಂತಹ ಚಾನ್ಸಸ್ ಏನು, ಪ್ರಾಬಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಏನು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ವರ್ಕ್ಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ ಸಮ್ಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇನ್ ಅವರ್ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋಸ್. ಅಟ್ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ 5 ಅಂತಂದರೆ ದೇ ಆರ್ ರೆಡಿ ಟು ಆಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ 5 ships. And even more than that 5 is also very good, but they are not ready to accept less than 5. So that is a minimum restriction they have there. At least 5 ships should safely arrive. That means they don't have any objection if all the 6 ships are arriving safely. So 5 ships are okay and 6 ships are also okay. More than 6 it is not possible because the maximum ಇರೋದೇ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 6 ಶಿಪ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಇವರು ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ 5 ಅಂತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. 6 ಶಿಪ್ಸು ಸೇಫ್ ಆಗಿ ಬಂದರೂ ಕೂಡ ಇವರಿಗೆ ಸಂತೋಷ. ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ದ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಪ್ರಾಬಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ, ದಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಪಿ ಆಫ್ 5 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಪಿ ಆಫ್ 6. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ 5 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ 6 ಅನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಪ್ರಾಬಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಟ್ ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ 5 ships to arrive safely. Now, as per the question, given number of ships, that is n equals to 6, and probability of ships arriving safely, that is 9 by 10, p value is 9 by 10, and q value is 1 minus p, that is 1 minus 9 by 10 is equals to 1 by 10. Therefore, your p value is 9 by 10 and q value is 1 by 10. n is 6, p value 9 by 10, q value 1 by 10. With this information, they have asked only one question, that is at least 5 will arrive safely. So 5 plus 6. Let us see the calculation part now. The probability mass function you have to take, that is NCX into p to the power of x into q to the power of n minus x. The n value is 6 here because number of ships 6 irodrinda n value 6 agata. Now the answer at least 5 will arrive safely. Therefore, you have to add P5 and P6. The answer is P5 plus P6. Now, let us expand the equation. For P5, NCX antandra n value is 6, x value is 5 because we are calculating P5. Therefore, 6 combination 5 into P to the power of x. 5 calculate ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ, x value 5. Therefore, P to the power of 5 ಅಂದರೆ 9 by 10 to the power of 5. P to the power of x is 9 by 10 to the power of 5 into q to the power of n minus x. q value in this sum is 1 by 10. So q to the power of n minus x andre 6 minus 5. N value is 6 and x value is 5. Therefore 6 minus 5, that is 1 agata. So that is the expansion for P5 plus P6. Expand P6, that is 6 combination 6. Here n is also 6 and x is also 6. Therefore it will be 6c6 agata into p to the power of x. P value is 9 by 10. Therefore 9 by 10 to the power of 6. Now P6 calculate ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ x value 6 ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Into q to the power of n minus x. Q value is 1 by 10. N minus x is 6 minus 6. N value is also 6 and x value is also 6 ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ 6 minus 6 0 ಆಗಿಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ಅದು. And come to the next step. 6 combination 5 is 6 into 9 by 10. 9 divided by 10, that is 0.9 to the power of 5. And 1 divided by 10 is 0.1 to the power of 6 minus 5 andre 1 plus 6 combination 6 is 1. You should take that value from the binomial exponents table. 9 divided by 10, again 0.9 to the power of 6 into 1 by 10 andre 0.1 to the power of 6 minus 6 andre 0. So 0.1 to the power of 0. Next step ಅಲ್ಲಿ 6ಗೆ 6 as it is ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. 0.9 to the power of 5 ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ 0.9 ಅನ್ನು 5 ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ. 0.9 ಇಂಟು 0.9 ಇಂಟು ಅಂತ 5 ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ you will be getting 0.59049 into 0.1 to the power of 1 is 0.1 itself plus 1 into 0.9 to the power of 6. Now multiply 0.9 6 times and 0.1 to the power of 0 is 1. Any number to the power of 0 is 1. Therefore that should be into 1. Now in the next step, multiply 6 into 0.59049 into 0.1. That should be 0.3542 plus 1 into 0.5314 will be 0.5314 only. And when you add these two, that is 0.3542 plus 0.5314, the final answer should be, you should be getting 0.8856. 0.8856 will be the final answer. Probability for at least 5 ships will arrive safely. We have calculated P of 5 plus P of 6. Probability of 5 and probability of 6, because both are accepted. They are asking minimum 5. So minimum 5 ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 5 ಗಿಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಗೆ ಪಾಸಿಬಿಲಿಟೀಸ್ ಇರೋದು ನಮಗೆ 6 ಒಂದೇ. ಸೊ 5 plus 6, P5 plus P6 should be the answer. I hope you will practice this, and if you have any questions you can come back to me.